Hi.
Hi, ma'am. I'm very happy to see you, ma'am. I'm big fan of you. I'm
Oh my
very
God.
happy. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.
Oh, you are so
I'm very happy.
all right. I'm also feel very happy to see your smiley face.
Thank
you're
you,
like
ma'am.
you're like me. We will have a giggling session full of smile.
Mm, yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So yeah, Bharti, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I am Bharti from Andhra Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, I am pursuing finally, first year post graduation in Yogyamana University, Kadapa.
Mm-hmm.
And my aim is to become as a motivational speaker. That's why I'm choosing you are the best teacher to me.
Oh my
Thank you,
God.
ma'am. Yeah,
Oh, thank you so much for choosing me. And
yeah,
you have a good, I mean, desire to become like a motivational
yes, ma'am.
speaker. Okay, so it is good thing I came to know about you. So, Bharti, may I know what is your source of motivation of doing things, of achieving things, learning new skills? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, in my village, only 3 or 4 of the people only are continuing their studies after 10th class onwards. So
Oh.
I thought I want to motivate that people who are stopped their studies. So when I motivate them, they are very interested to study with me. Like,
Mhm.
so I'm choosing that thing. A girl's power. We want to show our girl's power to the world. That's why I'm choosing this motivation, ma'am.
Oh, great, great, great. I mean, you really want to serve people basically. You really want to
Yes,
motivate
ma'am.
them towards learning things, towards continue their studies. Yeah, being
Yes,
a
ma'am.
girl, I can understand all the things because, yeah, still we are facing so many problems in our society. We don't have education. We don't have access in every kind of facilities in our society. So yeah, you're right. We need to aware all the girls and women as well. So you are doing great job.
Yes, ma'am. By seeing you are also, I'm inspired a lot, ma'am, because some of the people, some of the girls only to become as a YouTuber. It's not a small thing, ma'am, because in my point of view, yes,
Thank you so much, Bharti. You are a very kind person, I must say, that you are praising me, and thank you so much for everything, each and everything. Okay, so Bharti, uh, do you have any particular topic that you really want to share your views, your point of views, your opinion about being a girl, like education, how it is difficult to have access education and different things as well in society.
yes, ma'am. Because in my area, I'm taking example. So in my area, I am the only girl who are continuing their studies. Because in my area, all the people, uh, not me, all the people are after 10th onwards, they are getting married and they are getting pregnancy and all things. But I thought, what is this? It's not the correct thing because of girls only we are stopping our studies. It's not the correct thing. So
Mhm.
my family was also very supported to me to encourage my studies, all my dreams and everything. So I given many speeches and motivational speeches to many places. So
Mhm.
I thought, so I want to show our girls' power to the world because we are facing lot of problems. Like in my college, when I'm studying degree onwards. So first year I got many friends, but second year same friends they are getting married. So when I asked that people, they said my parents they are not agree with us. They are not encouraging me. So we are also want to study, but because of my parents and because of my street people who are living in that street, so they are not encouraging me. Because of that only, I just discontinued my studies. So by listening that things, so I want to motivate that people who wants to study more. So that's why I'm choosing this, ma'am.
Yeah, great, great. It is really grateful to know that how you are handling all the things, and you are saying the factual things the girls going through right now. Because of only we are girls, we are
Yes,
women,
ma'am.
we have to face so many things in our society, and we also have that mindset that we are girls and we have to do that, we don't have any option. And because of this attitude, girls also don't give priority to their career, to their having knowledge, growing their life. And after getting marriage, and I'm not talking for everyone, but majority of
Yes,
girls after getting marriage, they will suffer in their life, and they will not able to find a proper solution, just because they are not self independent. So,
yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Bharti, I really want to share. I mean, I really want to know your opinion. Like, we are girl, and being a girl, we have so many problems in a physical way as well. Like our
Yes,
ancestors earlier, they created a tradition like girls are
yes,
living at home, they are housemaker, they girls or women need to take care of house, and men will go outside and they will earn money, and this is how our society would run. And this is very simple and very logical way also, because being a girl, you know very well that we have to face
yes,
every
ma'am.
month so many physical problems, right? Physical
Yes, ma'am.
problems.
But I want to share one thing. I don't have so many problems as a girl. Why? Because in my house, so we don't believe God. So we don't have many traditions for girls separate and boys separate. So my
Mhm.
dad and my mom was treated my brother and me is very equally. So about dress sense or about any tradition about education. So when I am seeing many problems who are facing the girls, so I thought I am the lucky girl, so I don't have that much of problems. So
Mhm.
I thought like that, ma'am.
Yeah, this is like one problem you are talking about. Like
Yes,
you have that privilege or that
yes,
goodness in your life, that your parents are very good about this, and they don't uh, do discrimination between their girl child and child, right? So you are the lucky one,
yes,
and most of the
yes,
parents do the same. Just because our society is following only one culture or one tradition, all parents do the same. But once you get your studies, you get your career in your life, then after a while, when you become a certain level of your age, then parents force girls to get married,
yes,
right? Then after
yes,
marriage,
yes,
like being a woman, you have to have baby, right? Are you getting my point, what in which terms I'm saying? Baby, and you have to
yes,
face all
yes, ma'am, yes,
those
ma'am. Yes, yes,
difficulties during your pregnancy. And so in this time, I'm talking that physically we have so many challenges in our life.
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, I understand.
my question is like, do you really feel that a woman or a girl have to earn money, and only this is the only way to get respect in society?
Yes, ma'am. I thought when the girl earn money, I mean, in his self only by doing, so women get respect and many things. Because if you are not getting money or anything as a girl, so the people will give the respect like a normal girl. Because we are seeing the many girls what they are getting their respect. They are not getting the more respect just because. So what they are providing, then their people are they providing that thing only that happen. But when we earn money, so that people will give the more respect, just like I mean how they are giving the respect to boys. So in the same way, when we earn money, that people they may give respect just like that only, so they don't choose the boy and girl. So this is my opinion, ma'am.
Yeah. But don't you think so? There are many girls, they really don't want to do in anything there. Like they just want to be happy and a happy mother and happy house, I mean, happy wife, and she really wants to keep her house neat and clean. She doesn't want to do any job, and she really wants to have a happy
Yes,
family. But because of this pressure, one girl have to uh, do job in terms of getting respect. Even those, some are very lucky, I mean, in city conditions
yes,
are very good, but in village area, those ladies or females who are just only housemaker and they work for 24 hours, like, there is no
yes,
rest.
yes, yes,
Even after that, they don't get even normal respect. They People, I mean, uh, they always tell that you are good for nothing. They are not
yes, yes,
appreciating that how much effort she is putting in her home or their home.
yes. Yes, when they do work more, also they just give like a respect get normal. So you are doing whatever you are doing the work, the same work everyone's do. They feel like that, but how it is difficult they don't know. So that is the matter in that place. So actually, why the people are thinking means their environment. So their childhood onwards, when they inspire, when they motivate, so
Mhm.
girls are not born for to do all these type of work. So when they think like that in childhood onwards, so just like me, so how I'm thinking, so childhood onwards, so when the all people, because the environment is also not good, so because of that environment, the people are not doing their work, so without taking any help of that another people. So when we motivate childhood onwards, we may get the work, and we may take our respect as like men. So we don't have that much of environment. The people also choose, I mean, see like that only. Yeah.
Yeah, we
So
have so
when we
many.
habituated to, yes,
Yeah, you're saying something, please.
yeah, when we habituated to good environment to motivate ourselves like that, so we may think about girls power and everything. So when we are not habituating to that type of environment, we may think about marriage, I mean pregnancy, babies, and all these things. So we want to motivate ourselves firstly, ma'am. So
Hmm.
I thought like that.
Hmm, you are right, but sometimes it is also
Yes,
very difficult to handle your professional life and your personal life, because
yes,
you are the one, you will have to have a baby. You will have to be pregnant, I mean, take care of
yes,
your pregnancy, and at the same time you will have to take care of your professional life as well. So don't you feel so that it is very hectic for a lady and very
yes,
stressful?
yes.
What is your take on it?
So we may not say anything about that thing, ma'am, because I never thought about that topic, because after marriage and everything. So I will think about every time about education, about my dreams, about how to motivate me with all people. So I may think about all these things only. So I never think about after marriage and everything, ma'am.
Hmm.
So I want
Actually,
to become just like you. Yeah.
no, actually, I'm just trying to find you the answers, like how one woman should be like. Those
Yes.
are very happy to have a normal life. They are very happy to become a housemaker. They really don't want to have a good job, or they don't have any concern about getting money or getting a good position in their life in terms of profession, I must say. Those
Yes.
who really ambitious, those girls like you are an ambitious girl, I must say. You really want to do many things in your life, so it is very helpful, it is good for you. But I'm thinking about those
Yes.
who just
Yes.
happy, but because of this pressure, this society, or that pressure, they have to think like that, that I should have earned money to have respect. So in my opinion, it is very
Yes.
wrong, because one lady or one girl or one woman should have their own choice. Okay, and no matter what, she
Yeah.
is working or she is a housemaker or anything she wants to do in their life, she deserve respect. It's not like mandatory
Yes.
that
Yes. Yes.
only if you earn money, only if you will do a job, only then you will get respect. People don't consider a housemaker as a beneficial for house, I mean in terms of having money, getting money, but they don't able to see that how much effort she put in home to make a neat and clean home, right? To organize a home,
Yes.
to make tidy home.
Yes.
So people should respect all girls, not only those who are getting money, who are earning money, who have a good job, good profession, rather than all women, and regardless they are homemaker or housewife or anything. This is my opinion, and
Yeah.
I should have a choice. This is my choice, that I want to become a doctor, I want to become a housemaker, I want to become anything. You cannot force
Yes.
me. And because of
Yes. It
society,
depends upon.
yeah,
Yes.
and
Yes.
because of society, I will not compel to have a good job. If I would be happy with a happy family, be with a housemaker tag, so it should be also respectful for some lady. This is my take, I mean. Yeah.
So give me one suggestion, ma'am, when I'm onto the stage. So when
Mhm.
I'm giving the motivational speech, so what I want to remember in my mind, one thing, only one thing, when I'm going to the stage.
First thing, this is I should have some tips from you, because I don't have that much experience of facing people and go in front in front of crowd, I mean stage basically. But I would like to give one suggestion, that always think that you are the one who are more confident
Yeah.
comparatively others. You are the only one who are more knowledgeable, more confident in every aspects of your speech, of your thing on the stage. Carry this attitude, all right? This approach will work definitely, and confidence. Where confidence?
Yes. Yes.
Confidence should be your ornament, okay? So don't lose your confidence, go with
Yeah.
confidence, and nobody knows what are the mistakes you are doing. You are the only one. And if you show people that you are
Yes.
not doing any mistakes, so people will not know that you are doing some any mistakes. Okay, so you just focus on your speech,
Yeah.
focus on public, and where your confidence should be the your ornament, your jewelry during your speech, and you will rock on stage, I must say. And I would like to have any some tips from you, because this is completely new.
Thank you
uh,
so much.
would you like to give me some tips?
Ma'am,
Yes, I'm
me,
asked. Yes, yes.
I want to give some tips for you, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Oh my God. It's a pleasure, ma'am. I don't have any tips for you. You are the rock star of the YouTube. So it's not about the subscribers. So by seeing your videos, many of my friends, so what I am seeing, so many of my friends only they are inspired a lot. So I want to become like Mega. So they don't call me anything. So I want to become as Mega. So when I hear that sound, so I am the first favorite YouTuber. So my favorite YouTuber only Mega ma'am. So you don't ask like that. So this is ma'am. I don't have any tips for you.
No,
You
no,
are
don't say
something,
that.
ma'am.
Don't say like that. You are like you are doing, you are you are delivering your speech on stage. So this is completely new for me. So definitely you have
Yeah.
some tips to give, and I'm ready to take it, and I'll try to execute all these tips. So yeah, I will be grateful if I will have, because I know that you will be rock in future, near term future, and you will achieve all things. Don't worry. I can see that potential on you.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, actually, I want to suggest one thing, ma'am. So, when I am seeing your videos on YouTube, so
Mm.
I thought not only in oral conversation. So, when we put other people in your channel, so when they do conversations in daily, so when we put on YouTube, the people will think so we use these phrases in our daily conversations. So by hearing only one side voice, so the people will thought okay, it's normal. But when another people will add the video in the
Mm.
conversation, the people will imagine it's me and it's my friend, so we want to conversation like that. So this
Yeah.
is my small suggestion, ma'am.
Yes, yes, definitely. I also feel that communication should be two-way, not only one way, and it is not interesting
Yes.
if only one person will talk continuously, right? So yeah, this is very good suggestion, and
Yeah.
people should take seriously these things, because sometimes, yeah, like you are very good speaker, I must say, and we have two-way communication, like something I ask you, something you ask,
Yeah.
and we will share our opinion. But sometimes what happened, because of people are not aware of this
Yeah.
language, they feel hesitation and they are not able to speak
Yes.
more. So at that time, this is my responsibility to make them, compel them for speaking.
Yes.
So that is the reason, and yeah, but
So
yeah, we will
yes.
try. We should try these things. Yeah,
Yeah, when you give the chance, I will work with you, ma'am. I will work with you
definitely,
in
definitely.
two-way communication
Yeah,
because I'm very interested to upload videos.
we will do. We will do. Yeah, don't worry about. Yeah, Bharti. So now I need to wrap up the session here, and thank you so much for
Yeah.
joining me. You are such
Thank
a
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
jolly girl,
I
and
want to share, ma'am. I want to so much thankful to you because I replied to many of the YouTubers, but no one giving the chance to me to communicate with that people. So they have their more subscribers and more comments, but they don't give that much of respect that how you give to me, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's really helpful to me.
no,
Thank you, ma'am.
you're welcome, dear. I hope that you will achieve all the things in your life. Best wishes from my side.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.